In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily increase font size of system menus on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to head over to Settings. On the Settings, scroll down a bit and get into Control Center. Here we need to ensure that text size shortcut is added to included controls. If it is not, so I'm gonna quickly remove it from here. So if it is not, scroll down a bit until you find it here and then hit at the plus button next to it to move it up to included controls. After that, we can head over back to the settings page, and then we need to just swipe down from the top right corner to bring up the control center. In here we can easily find this text size shortcut. If we tap on it, it will allow us to change text size for all the applications or for settings app only. I'm gonna select settings only, however we can easily change it for all the applications. Now it shows me that text size is 100%, which is default. However, we can drag it up to increase or down to reduce. I'm gonna set it to that value. And then if we go back to the settings, we can check, we can find out that text size is highly increased, and then in the same way we can increase it even more, or we can reduce it a bit until we find the text size that is the best for us, that makes the text easier to read. And then in the same way, if you wanna return it back to default, you can easily do so in the same way. That's how we can easily change text size for system menus of an iPhone and for any other application such as social media apps, maybe some messenger. I think you got the point. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.